Welcome, kids! Let's learn farm animals together. This is a cow. The cow says moo. This is a buffalo. The buffalo says moo. This is a horse. The horse says neigh. This is a goat. The goat says moo. This is a sheep. The sheep says ba ba ba. This is a dog. The dog says woof woof. This is a cat. The cat says meow. This is a pig. The pig says oink oink. This is a chicken. The chicken says cluck cluck. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.